Every transformation begins where nature is still untouched.
Traceability ensures trust at every step. The journey continues, guided by precision and care.
Every arrival is documented for traceability.
The raw journey ends. The industrial journey begins.
Every leaf begins its journey toward purity here.
Submersion ensures deep cleaning without damage. Gentle motion preserves integrity while removing impurities.
Here, nature's gift begins its metamorphosis into pure gel. Precision slicing releases the heart of the aloe.
Temperature control preserves potency for later use.
Refinement continues as raw gel transforms into skincare foundations.
Even microscopic imperfections are eliminated.